Hi, welcome to a foreigner in the Philippines. We're at house number 23. And so we're just going to show you a work in progress. What day are we in?
Day 2.
In
Day 2.
Day 2. Day 3, sure.
Day 2. Yesterday is day 1.
This is how far we've got. So this is the way that we've been building all of our houses. Will be several rows of hollow block, and then on top of that will be wooden framing, and then on top of that will be the Amacon cladding, which is what you can see over there. Okay, but that's what we've done so far. It's worked out very successful, and we're hoping to have the completion date on this
Monday.
On Monday. So that will have completed, I think, 5 or 6 days.
4 days.
4 days. Okay. Well, I'm not going to try and compete against that hammering on the tin roof. You can have a look at what's happening.
Yeah, so this will be the room for the family, and then on the other side will be the kitchen. So it's pretty big house compared to the one that we got. So we're gonna hope to finish it in just 4 days or 5 days. And this will be our house number 23, and to give a secure house for the family. Yeah, so please like, comment, and subscribe. Have a good day. Thank you so much, M&M. God bless.